Hi guys! For today's video is mga unta sa akong favorite Indian food. So my favorite talaga is the pani puri as an appetizer. We ordered lamb curry and lamb chop curry. We also ordered some Indo-Chinese fusion. Here is the cheese naan. Sasama natin yan sa ating lamb curry. Sus ko, kinain ko pa with a fork pero mas gamit talaga kapag nagkamay kayo. As in, ang easy talaga i-mekos-mekos. Tas, ang sarap-sarap pa. Here's me nung binigyan ako ng pangsit serum ng mother-in-law ko. Sabi niya masarap and masarap naman talaga siya. I really like pangsit but yung sauce niya lasang chop suey lang din. Ito naman is I'm trying the lamb chop curry. Grabe, it falls right off the bone talaga. Magugustuhan to ng mama ko kasi hindi mo nang need talaga nguyain. Parang it melts in your mouth na lang din. Kaya napapa-happy dance na talaga ako. Next naman is the nasi seram. This is like an Indonesian Chinese fusion. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Hindi ko mapigilan yung sarili ko dito. Oh, by the way, masasabi mo talagang authentic Indian food to kasi lahat ng customers nila except kami are Indians talaga. Yun lang po. Thanks for watching. See you sa next video.